Hi everyone! Let's explore 8 creative handwriting styles you can try in your journal or diary. For this 3D style, simply write the letters first and then add a shadow on one side to create depth. In bubble lettering, draw the letters boldly to look inflated. Then add a soft shadow to give a balloon effect. For this bold style, write the text normally. And add a thick block at the base of each letter. Box lettering. Draw simple boxes first. Write the letters inside. Fill the outlines for a clean look. In brush pen calligraphy, upward strokes stay thin, while downward strokes become thicker. In faux calligraphy, write in a cursive style and add an extra line to the downward strokes. For this light effect lettering, sketch with pencil, bold the letters, add a thick shadow on one side, and erase the pencil. Write bold letters, lightly shade them,